Hey everyone, this is Toua with Vapor Honey Technologies. In today's video, I will be talking about the benefits of plastic and metal cabinets. First, let's talk about the plastic cabinets and get you familiar. Our plastic Vapor Honey cabinets are made out of high-density polyethylene, in short, HDPE, and are 1/4 inch thick all the way around. These plastic cabinets are single-molded units and are built to be tough. How tough are these plastic cabinets? Well, check the video below as we dropped a plastic cabinet from 60 feet high.
There it goes.
Anyways, our plastic cabinets are super affordable.
Why is that?
Because they are not metal. Because they just are. Because we know that wet blasting is more expensive than dry blasting, we lower the cost by using a single molded plastic cabinet, making it more affordable and easy in your pocket. That means you're not paying for the fabrication time. So let's talk about metal cabinets. So what are the benefits? When choosing a metal cabinet, you have the choice of an 1/8 inch thick stainless steel, aluminum, or carbon steel to make these machines stronger and sturdier. To rank these metal, stainless steel is our best choice. Following to second is aluminum, and carbon steel at the rear. Another benefit of our metal machines is that they come in different sizes, starting from the benchtop Vapor Home 450 all the way to the VH 4000. You can also get a wide range of options that can be added onto your metal cabinet, such as abrasive density meter, rubber lined walls, tracking car system, and stainless steel turntable. With the metal cabinet, you just have way more control. Here are a few more benefits. You can have the metal cabinet powder coated. The machine can work endlessly. And you can add automation to the metal cabinet for industrial purposes and repeatable process. If you are interested in the automation side and would like to learn more, please give us a call at 828-202-5563. Again, that is 828-202-5563. Anyway, folks, those are the benefits of the plastic and metal cabinets. One could say that the metal cabinets are better, but in my eyes, it's about your personal preference and what you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and follow us on our social media.